Namaskar parents, good morning kids. How are you all? Hope you all are happy, safe at your home. I am your Ansana from New Era Global School. So now today's video will start with prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhuvasvaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Bhuvasvaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Bhuvasvaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Now, rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you refresh. Okay, kids, so do you know today I am very excited. Ask why? Because my kids already learned A to Z. Yes. So kids, now today we revise how to write small letter A to Z with phonic sound and after letters. So are you all ready? Come with me. So kids, now you know there are 26 letters in our alphabet series. Okay, 21 is consonant and 5 is vowels. Now we start with which letter comes first? A. Yes. So how we write a small letter A? This one is in your division part. Okay. So how we write the letter A? Right side curve, standing line. A says and A for apple. So kids, A after which letter will come? A after B. B says B. Pink line to blue line will make a standing line like this. Then left side curve between two blue lines. B says B. B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. B after C. Between two blue lines make a right side curve. C says K. C says K. C after B. Yes. Pink line to blue line standing line. Then right side curve makes the letter D. And D for dog. D. Dog. D after A, B, C, D, E. Yes. Sleeping line. Right side curve. Sleeping line. Right side curve. E says A. And what is the phonic sound of E, kids? A. E for elephant. E after F. Pink line to blue line will make standing line. Then small curve. Then sleeping line. F for fish. F says F after G. Very good. Right side curve. Then blue line to pink line, standing line, and then small curve. G for goat. Goat. G. What is the phonic sound of G, kids? G. What is the phonic sound of G? G. F after G. G after H. G after H. Standing line, pink line to blue line, standing line between two blue lines make a small curve. H for horse. And what is the phonic sound of H? So kids, H after E, F, G, H, I. Yes, H after I. Between two blue lines make a between two blue lines make a standing line and dot. I says E. And today we learn how to write small letters. Okay, today we revise how to write small letter. What is the phonic sound of I? E. I for ice cream. I after J. Blue line to pink line, standing line, curve, dot. J for jug. And what is the phonic sound of J, kids? Jug. J for J. So J after K. Yes, very good. Pink line, blue line, standing line, then slanting line, then again slanting line. Between two blue lines, make a two slanting line. K for kite. And what is the phonic sound of K? K. Very good, kids. K after L, and L says L says we make one standing line and makes the small letter L. L says L for lion. L after M. Yes, very good. Now standing line. Now go downside go. Then again downside go. M says M says M for monkey. M for monkey. M after N. Standing line. Left side. Sorry, downside go. N says N for nose. And after O, between two blue lines you make a right side curve and then left side curve. O for orange. M and O. O after P. Pink blue line to pink line to make a standing line and then left side curve. P says pop. P after Q. Right side curve and then standing line and then small standing line. Q says Q. P, Q. What is the phonic sound of Q? Q. Q for queen. And Q after P, Q, R. Standing line. Small curve. R says R says R for rose. R for rose. Okay. And what is the phonic sound of R? R after S. Between two, you know kids, this one small letters we write between two blue lines. Okay. So right side go, left side go. R says R says sorry, S says right side go, left side go. S says S for sun. S after T. And what is the phonic sound of T, kids? T. Standing line, curve, sleeping line. T says T. T after U. And U says up. Standing line, curve. U says up. Between two blue lines you make a U for umbrella. Then V. Right side standing line, left side standing line, right. V says V for van. V after W. Right side standing line, down, up to down, down to up to down, down to up. Makes the letter W. And W says V. Then in few and then in few weeks we learn X, Y, Z. So W after X. So how we write the letter X? Right side slanting line, then left side slanting line. X says X for Xmas tree. Then X after Y. How we write the letter Y, kids? Slanting line, right side slanting line, then pink blue line to pink line, left side slanting line. Y for yak. Now Y after Z. And what is the phonic sound of Z? What is the phonic sound of Z? And how we write the letter Z? Slipping line, then left side slanting line, then slipping line makes the letter Z. And Z says. So today we learn how to write small letter A to Z. Okay. A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J for jug. Jug. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nose. O for orange. Orange. P for peacock. Peacock. Q for queen. Queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for watch. Watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Yak. And Z for zebra. So revision part is done. Now class work time. So kids, yesterday what did we learn? Yesterday we revised how to write small letter Z and capital letter Z in our worksheet. So now our today's class work is in our English worksheet. Take out the English worksheet everyone. And page number 78. Page number 78. Write down CW and date. Okay. Now different types of caps are given below. There are different types of cap. One is cap, then one is hat, and then one is winter cap. Okay. Are given below. See the letters outside the cap and match them with her letter inside the cap. Yes, there are different types of cap in the picture given below. So kids, there are different types of caps in picture given below. Now see the letter outside. There are outside two letters, right, like this. Yes. Then match them with letter inside the cap, and also inside the cap there are same letters, so match with letter to letter. Okay, like in our hat picture there are outside, which letter is this? Y. Yes, which letter is this? Y. And Y says here. And which letter is this? Z. So here is, where is Y here? This one? Yes, so match with letter Y, and letter Z match with letter Z. Okay. Now take another picture of cap. Okay, 1 minute. There are Z here, so match Z with letter Z, like this. Now take another picture. Which picture is this, kids? W. Which letter is this, kid? W and X. And what is the phonic sound of W? W. What is the phonic sound of W? W. So where is the W here? This one. So match with outside letter. Then this one. Yes, so match with like this. Then which letter is this? X. And X is X. So match with here. And find letter X, this one. So match with here. Okay. Now which cap is this? Winter cap. Okay. So which letter is this? U and V. So match with letter U. Where is the letter U? This one. Then this one. Yes. So match it here, like this. Then V. What is the phonic sound of V? V. What is the phonic sound of V? V. So match with letter V, and V says V. So match picture like this, and our today's class work is done. Now homework time. So change down your page everyone. Take out page number 79. Okay. There is a fish bowl. There is a fish bowl given below. आपको फिश पॉट दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? Yes. see the letters in and copy the same letters in the given below fish. There are some letters in our fish bowl, है ना, like U, V, Z, Y, W, X. So there are 6 fish available downside. Okay, so same as later we write down in fish. Okay, so first write down HW because this one is in your homework. So how we write? So shall we start? So which letter first come? U. Okay, so write down U in first fish. Standing line, curve. U says up. Okay, then which letter after U? V. So slanting line, another slanting line. V says V. V says V. So V after W. V after W. So write down W here. Right side slanting line, left side slanting line, right side slanting line, left side slanting line. W says V. So W after X. And what is the phonic sound of X, kid? Okay, so write down X here. Right side slanting line, left side slanting line. X is X. X after Y. So write down Y. Slanting line, big slanting line. Y says here, and Y after Z. And what is the phonic sound of Z, kids? So write down Z here. Slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. And our today's homework is also done. So in this homework, what we do? There are fish bowl given below. See the letter inside and copy the same letter in the given picture in the given fish below. जहाँ पे हमने नीचे फिश थी उसमें सेम एज जो पॉट में लेटर्स है वो हमने राइट डाउन किए. सो टुडे वी लर्न हाउ टू राइट A to Z letter with this activity, right? So now our today's class work, which is in our English worksheet page number 78, right, and our homework page number 79 is done. So hope you like our today's class work and homework. So today's class work and homework, class work page number 78 in worksheet, page number 79 in worksheet homework. So hope you like our today's class work and homework. Enjoy your awesome day. Bye everyone.